Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earning disclaimer. Drift Car Air Freshener, the original wood air freshener, car odor eliminator, long-lasting scent, auto accessories, metal clip, essential oils, clean ingredients, amber scent starter kit. CAR Fresheners, Drift Car Air Fresheners are made to uproot your typical air freshener. We've combined sophisticated, functional design with real, designer and luxury-grade scents. This set includes a metal clip to attach to your car visor. Made in the USA, our wood freshener is made right here in the USA from sustainably sourced wood, and magnetized to fit perfectly on your car visor with our metal clip. Our amber scent is reminiscent of fresh rain, with notes of lavender, amber, and sage. Clean formulation, free of harsh chemicals. Made with natural essential plus fragrance oils, no additives. Our products are vegan, pet-friendly, GMO-free and cruelty-free. Simple design, attach metal clip to visor so the ledge faces down when closed. Open one side of bag until scent dissipates and freshener doesn't have any visible oil on surface. Attach the scent block to the clip, it will magnetically snap in, make sure there is no overhang on either side of the clip. Thanks for watching and subscribe.